Okay, so we're looking at a problem that says $42.70 plus $19.90 plus $73.25. What does that all equal? And if I have a $200 note, or if I have $200, then how much change will I get? So the important thing is to take these three numbers and to place them vertically to look like. Place them vertically so they all make sense and they can be calculated. So that's what we do. So the next thing that we can do is we've put them in a vertical array here, 42.70, 19.90 and 73.25, making sure they all line up, all the cents line up, all the dollars line up, and the ones and the tens, and making sure that the decimal points all line up. So we start from this side, over here. So we say what is 0 plus 0 plus 5, and the answer is 5. Next we ask what is 7 plus 9, which is 16, plus 2 is 18. So we put down the 8 over here, and we carry the 10 up here. Then we say what is 1 plus 2, which is 3. 3 plus 9, which is 12. 12 plus 3, which is 15. So the 5 goes here, the 10 goes up here. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 1 is 6, plus 7 is 13. So the 3 goes here, the 1 goes on this side where there's nothing here, and 1 plus nothing is nothing. So our answer is $135.85. So now what we need to do is we need to say, okay, I've got $200, it costs $135.85, so then how much change will I get? So I've got 200 here. I need to put in my figure, which is how much it is, which was $135.85. And in this case, we're subtracting, because we're starting with 200, it costs us $135.85, and we need to know how much change we're going to get. The problem is all these zeros at the top, and this is where people get confused. The first thing we look at is we look at this top one, this one on the right here, 0 minus 5. You can't do 0 minus 5, so we need to do some trading. So we're going to cross out this number here. We can't borrow from this side here, because you can't borrow from 0, you can't borrow from 0, you can't borrow from 0. You can borrow from 2. So what you do is you box this up, like that. So instead of saying I'm going to borrow from this side over here, we're going to borrow from the whole thing. And what's 2,000 minus 1? Well, 2,000 minus 1 is 1,999. So we cross the whole thing out. We write a 1999 here, and not forgetting that we've borrowed the one from here, which makes 10 over here. So then 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away 8 is 1, not forgetting the decimal point. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 1 minus nothing. 1 minus 1 is nothing. So there's our answer. If we start off with $200 and the whole thing costs us $135.85, then the final total is $64.15. And what I encourage students to do is when they've worked that out, get a calculator out and check your answer. And that's it.